not gonna do
This is Goosefish featuring Alex. Where is Alex? Alex's sister. Alex's brother. Alex's robot. Where is Alex?
Do. Hey! What's that dog through the woods? Alex? Is that you, Alex? Have you come to bring me some bread? That's not Alex! That's not Alex!
Hi guys. Yeah, that was going through the woods in Elmo suit. OMG, he's a werewolf!
It's a werewolf!
Oh, sorry!
I'm Alex.
Okay, Alex. Wait a second. You're finished! Stay tuned to find out what happens on the next episode of